2015 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. Then we did some FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there and right there. Part number 842518. If you guys want to look in the description, you can purchase those and put them on your vehicle. And then there's the two tailpipes right there and right there. We cut the back two resonators or mid mufflers or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. And there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. FLOWMASTER Super 10s never disappoint. They always sound good.